Thinking about purchasing Kindrid for your church management needs? Here are 12 essential things you need to know before making a decision. We'll also compare it to some of the other top options available so you can make an informed choice. First thing, Kindrid is designed to streamline donations and giving for churches, making it easy for members to give through online platforms, mobile apps, and text to give. Compared to other software like Tithe.li or Breeze, Kindrid focuses heavily on simplicity and ease of use, but it might lack some of the more extensive features that other platforms offer. Next thing, one of the key selling points is its user-friendly interface. Whether you're managing a large church or a small congregation, Kindrid is simple to set up and navigate. However, while it's easy for newcomers, more experienced administrators may find that other platforms like Church Community Builder provide a more customizable experience. The third thing, Kindrid offers integrated text-to-give options, which are becoming increasingly popular for churches looking to make giving as convenient as possible. This is a great feature if your church already has a tech-savvy congregation. But if you're looking for more payment options or greater flexibility in the giving process, software like PushPay may be a better fit. Next thing, reporting is another important aspect to consider. Kindrid does offer basic reports on donations, but for churches that require more in-depth financial reporting or detailed analytics, competitors like Planning Center may be a more comprehensive choice. The fifth thing, mobile giving is another big plus for Kindrid. Its mobile-friendly options allow donors to give on the go, which is crucial for churches with active congregations. But if you're looking for more features beyond giving, such as event registration or detailed member management, you might find Kindrid a bit limiting compared to ChurchTrack or Elvanto. The sixth thing, customer support is a critical part of any service, and Kindred's support team is highly rated for its responsiveness. However, some users report that support can be slow during peak times. Platforms like Breeze offer more self-help options and can be a better choice if you prefer to troubleshoot on your own. The seventh thing, Kindrid integrates with some accounting software, but its integrations aren't as extensive as some competitors. If you're already using accounting platforms like QuickBooks or Xero, software like Tithe.li may offer smoother integration with your existing tools. Next thing, Kindrid offers church management tools like member tracking and event management, but it's primarily focused on donations. If you're looking for a platform that's a one-stop shop for all your church's needs, you might find Kindred's features a bit basic compared to platforms like ACS Technologies or Ministry Platform. The ninth thing, pricing is something to consider. Kindred's pricing is straightforward, but it can become expensive for churches with a larger congregation or more extensive needs. If you're on a budget or running a smaller church, other platforms like Planning Center might provide better value for your specific needs. The 10th thing, security is another important factor, and Kindrid takes it seriously with encryption and secure payment processing. Still, if you need more advanced security features, like two-factor authentication or advanced user permissions, you might want to check out Breeze or Church Community Builder for added peace of mind. The 11th thing, if you're looking for a church management platform that integrates seamlessly with your church's website, Kindrid has some options, but you may find that other services like ChurchTrack offer more customizable website integrations. The 12th thing, finally, one of Kindred's strengths is its mobile app, which makes giving and managing donations on the go a breeze. But if you're looking for an all-in-one church management solution that goes beyond donations, you might want to explore competitors like Elvanto or Ministry Platform. So, is Kindrid a good option for your church? Yes, especially if you're focused on donation management and simplicity. But if you're looking for more comprehensive features, better integrations, or more customization, there are other platforms that might serve you better. If you want to check out a more flexible, feature-rich solution that you can try for free, check out our recommended software in the description below.